Hey guys, welcome back. Fireside Coffee here. Review of the black and white Firestarter kit. And when you come back, we'll open this up. I have one to give away. Stay tuned. Welcome back. Thanks for joining me, guys. So today I wanted to review the black and white Firestarter kit that I received from Mr. Outdoorsy. I received it some while ago. It was actually quite a long time ago, a couple months. And he sent me two of them. One of them I'm going to give away, one to review. So this is a kit you get. Mr. Outdoorsy was on Etsy. I will leave a link for you in the description so that you can check out his store. He has got quite a bit of stuff. He's got some great products. I reviewed some before. If you want to look back through my videos, this one has something special in it that I want to show you. In here, he has Sherpa pre-cuts. If you guys remember when I did the Sherpa review, when he sent me that, he now makes them. At that time, they weren't for sale. It was just a review, give them our honest thoughts, see what we thought of it, and it's great. It's one of the best fire starters I've seen yet. In the new kit, he now sells them pre-cut. And there's 8 of them in here. So we're going to get to that. We're going to try them out. We're going to try out all these fun little things he gives you here. I'll go over the package real quick, and then we'll do the review. So here's a quick look at everything that's included in the Firestarter kit. Start at the bottom here. We have what is called Black and White Fire Fuzz XRs. As you can see, made in the USA. Of course, everything that he makes is made in the USA. And what it is cotton, and there's some type of harder substance on the top here. I'm not sure if it's wax or what it is, but I'm going to try them out. We've got black and white. It's called Lightwood Firestarter. It's a hand blend packet. So that's pretty interesting. I don't know if that's cedar shavings or what that is, but we're going to give that a shot. He throws in a forever match, which is pretty cool. Basically, this is metal. There are some plastic ones that are made, but these are the better metal ones. And what you do is you put lighter fluid in there, and then it has a striking surface, and it has a little wick. Then what you do is once you take this out, throw sparks. Now as you can see, it will spark empty, so if you would have this with you and you run out of fluid, you can still create a spark. This is the black and white wood tinder blend Firestarter. You got different pieces of cut up wood in there. Not sure if they're treated or not, but we're gonna give it a try. He throws in a 32 count strike on box matches. This is a Firestarter. It's got like wood chips on top. It's got some wax. All of his products are made. The materials used are jute, oil, pine wood chips, cotton fibers, wax, and carbon. And then of course we've got the Sherpas. Welcome back to the old stump top. Alright, so first and foremost, we're going to try out these Sherpas. I know how well these work. So what you get is 8 blocks, but you're actually getting 16. because you can break these. If you look back to my Sherpa video, you can see where I was creating curls. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to create some fine curls. Apologize about the neighbor's dog in the background. I'm actually up at the camper yet, so it's Sunday night, but there's a lot of people up here yet. Now this is 2. You could break it down into 2 pieces. I'm going to leave it as 1. And we'll let that burn. We'll move on to our next product. We're going to go with the Firefuzz XR. Move this out of the way. And it looks like some cotton on the bottom. And then whatever this is as far as an extender. So we'll hit that with the ferro rod. Lit easily. 2 for 2. So we'll keep an eye on that one. See what happens once it hits that extender material on the bottom. Move this over. Next up, we'll try the lightwood. I'm not sure if this is cedar shavings. I am sure Paul has his own little mix of good stuff in there. So let's hit this, see what happens. We are 3 for 3. Next up is the black and white wood tinder blend. Paul's done a great job. I know he works hard, does his research, really puts a lot of time and effort into these products. Like I said, he sends the products out to us to try, get our honest opinion, see if there's anything he can improve on or any suggestions we have. That's just good business. So, see what we can do with this. I'm not sure if this is going to go with a ferro rod or not. It may not be fine enough material. It looked like it wanted to. Since Paul is so kind to give us matches, we'll try that out. I don't remember exactly what he calls this. Now you could just take this whole thing out and light your fire with that. You know, if you want to get a campfire going, you have really wet wood, you got to dry it out first. You could just throw this whole thing in. Just going to cut a chunk off and save the rest. So as you can see, all the products I was able to light with just a ferro rod, except for the wood blend, the little wood chips, I had to use the matches. This has got a nice strong flame. That is really going well. So, like I said, I'll put a link down in the description for Mr. Outdoorsy on Etsy. Check him out. The prices are awesome. I don't even know how he can make these products, package them. I mean, even if you were to pay $5 to $10 for shipping on a kit like this, it's still well worth it. As you can see, this stuff's still going. Thanks for watching. Take care, and God bless.